Digital direct and thermal sublimation are Spreadshop's most popular print methods. Digital direct is used for printing on fabric, and thermal sublimation is used for printing on non-fabric items like mugs and phone cases. Unlike plot printing, digital direct uses pixel graphics as the basis for the print. Before a digital direct t-shirt can be printed, it's bound to a printing plate and pre-treated. This step ensures a smooth, brilliant print. Just like a piece of paper through a computer printer, the printing plate is fed through the textile printer. Inch by inch, the design comes to life as the ink is sprayed onto the t-shirt. Pre-programmed instructions help our printer produce an accurate print with bright, smooth colors and perfect gradients. All that's needed now is some time for your new t-shirt to dry. As it does, the colors brighten and the print becomes more durable. 6 minutes in the drying tunnel and your t-shirt is finished. A final check reveals another perfectly printed t-shirt. Digital direct printing is ideal for designs with a lot of details, shapes, and colors. Intricate color gradients and even photographs can be reproduced with incredible accuracy. The print and the fabric combine to create a smooth, single layer, resulting in a soft and durable finished product. Our mugs and other non-fabric products aren't put through a printer. They're printed by a process called thermal sublimation. Much like a tattoo stencil, a mirror image of your design is printed on a special printing foil. Once the foil is printed, it is very carefully placed on your item of choice, in this case, a mug. Then, we turn up the heat. At temperatures reaching up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, the foil evaporates and the ink is absorbed by the mug. That's it. Thermal sublimation produces beautiful prints on smooth surfaced products. Not only is the finished product bright and vibrant, it's also extremely durable. It will maintain its appearance use after use and wash after wash.